Hey everyone! If your Riot client is not opening, keeps running in the background, or only shows Riot Client UX in Task Manager, then you are in the right place. This issue usually happens because the Riot Client UI gets stuck, cache files become corrupted, or background services fail to start correctly. In this video, I will show you multiple working fixes, starting from the easiest to the final guaranteed solution. Follow the steps carefully and do not skip any part. Fix 1. Fully close Riot client background processes. First, we need to stop all Riot processes properly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for and end all Riot-related processes. Riot Client, Riot Client UX, Riot Client Services.exe, Riot Vanguard. Once everything is closed, restart your PC. After restart, right-click Riot Client and select Run as Administrator. For many users, the Riot Client opens normally after this step. Fix 2. Clear Riot Client cache files. If the issue continues, corrupted cache files are the most common cause. Press Windows plus R. Type %local appdata% and press Enter. Delete the following folders if they exist. Riot Games, Riot Client. Now press Windows plus R again. Type %appdata% and press Enter. Delete the Riot Games folder. Restart your PC and launch Riot Client again. This step fixes the Riot Client UX problem in most cases. Fix 3. Restart Riot services. Sometimes Riot services do not start correctly. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc and press Enter. Find these services. Riot Client Services, Riot Vanguard. Right-click each service and select Restart. Set their startup type to automatic. Close everything and reboot your PC. Fix 4. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Security software can block Riot Client UX from loading. Temporarily disable Windows Defender or any third-party antivirus. Launch Riot Client. If it opens successfully, add the Riot Games folder to your antivirus exclusions. Do not forget to re-enable your antivirus afterward. Fix 5. Run Riot Client in compatibility mode. Go to C:\Riot Games\Riot Client. Right-click Riot Client Services.exe and open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator. Enable compatibility mode and select Windows 8. Click Apply and OK, then open Riot Client again. Fix 6. Repair Riot Client. Navigate to C:\Riot Games\Riot Client. Run Riot Client Services.exe directly. Let the client repair itself automatically. Restart your PC after the repair completes. Final fix. Clean reinstall Riot Client. If nothing worked so far, this method will fix the issue completely. Uninstall Riot Client from Apps and Features. Manually delete these folders. C:\Riot Games. %local appdata% /Riot Games. %appdata% /Riot Games. Restart your PC. Download the latest Riot client from the official Riot Games website. Install it and launch as administrator. Extra important checks. Before ending the video, make sure Windows is fully updated. VPN is turned off. Overlay apps like MSI Afterburner are disabled. System date and time are set correctly. That's it. Your Riot client should now open normally without the Riot Client UX error. If this video helped you, leave a like and share it with others who are facing the same issue. Subscribe for more PC fixes, game errors, and performance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.